Hello students, this is Sunya Thakur from Maa Kalyanika Public School. Welcome you all to our online English grammar classes. Students, today I have brought a new topic, that is articles. Articles. A and the are the articles. See, a and the. Students, you know that there are two types of articles. A and the, they are divided into two parts. A and is your indefinite article and the is your definite article. Let's see. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, who are they? A and. Just look at the blackboard. A and they are indefinite articles. Definite articles. Definite article. This is your the. The is your definite article and a and is your indefinite article. Students, why it is indefinite and definite? Because when you use the, that time you know the particular person, place or thing. But indefinite article, you don't know about the particular person, thing or any place. That's why it is indefinite article. You know that when it is used, indefinite article always used with the singular form. And the also used with the singular form, but it is used with the particular place, thing, with the particular person, mountain range, whatever the particular things we will use the. Students, here look at this definite articles and indefinite articles. First I will see when you will use the definite article and when you will use the indefinite article. First I will tell you how to use. A and. Look at this. A and, it is used, these words are used with a singular form. A and. But when it will be the consonant sound while pronouncing a word, if it will come a consonant sound, you will use A. And if it is coming with the vowel sound, then you will use N. Sometimes it is happening that you know that many words are like that, starts with a vowel but it is pronouncing as a consonant sound. Then we have to use their A. Some words I am writing, just look at the blackboard. University, unicorn, unique. Students, look at the blackboard. While writing university, unicorn, university and unique, that time you will use A, not N. N is the wrong word. You will use A. A unicorn, a university, a unicorn, a unique person. Understood? Why you will use A? Because while pronouncing these words, we will use the consonant sound. University, unicorn and unique. While telling these, we will pronounce as Y-U. That's why before these words, we have to use A. Sometimes what is happening? We will use consonant word, consonant letter, but while pronouncing these, we will use N. Just look at those examples. A and the are the articles. Here is an elephant. Here is an elephant. He is showing a book. He is showing a book. Here that time we will use the. But if we don't know the particular elephant, if we do not know particular book, that time we use a. Before you know all the things about the vowel and consonant sound also, it is mainly discussed with you. Now the example of ant. Look at these examples. Ant, honest, man. Ant, honest, man. Ant, honorable, position. Honorable position. Students, look at these examples. Here, honest and honorable. No doubt it has started from H, but while pronouncing we are using the vowel sound. Look at this. H, H. In both examples, H are silent. Silent here. Here H are silent, and while pronouncing we are using the honest man and honorable person. So it is clear that while using the vowel sound we have to put and only. The. Students, I told you the is the definite article. Yes, definite means particular. If you know the particular place, things, any person's name, particular mountain range name, and anything, if you know that particularly, then we will use the. It is also used with the singular form, but you will use these words with the. How? Now see the example. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The principal attends the assembly. Just look at the example. You know that how many suns we are having in the sky? Only one, particular one. That's why before writing, when I have written sun, I have used the, because I know that there is one sun and the particular thing I know. And here in the second example, principal. You know that in the school, how many principals are there? Only one. So before writing principal, we will use the, because particular thing, near the particular things we use person, thing, or place, any kind of particular thing, person, place, we will use the. And here also, how many directions are there? 4 directions. In the 4 directions, east, west, north and south. They are also particular. That's why I have used before east the. And when you use the, yes, while using the adjectives, I told you that in the superlative degree, always you will use the. Do you remember, students? While telling the adjectives, I told you how it is. Sheila is the tallest girl in our class. Hope that you have remembered while teaching adjectives. I have mentioned this example. Yes. So Sheila is the tallest girl. It is in superlative degree. So while using superlative degree, always you should use the. Understood? One more example I am giving. Ram is the best student in all. It means the best. Here the best, the tallest. Always it is in the superlative degree and you use the before these words. So students, you understood what are the uses of a and the. A and always use with the singular form. The also with the singular form, but in near the particular things. person and place. I hope that you all have understood. But before doing this, before going that articles chapter, we have to know some points are there. Some points that you will use while reading the articles. Students, in my next class, I will give you some points, some rules and regulation of using definite and indefinite articles. Thank you all of you.